Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and it's about 90 some odd degrees, and I have an 18 by 24 inch canvas. I have glasses and I've put them on my face. I have black paint to cover the background of this, and I think I want to put some white paint in the bottom of a container to add other paint on top. I also have a gnat dog in my face that I'm going to try and convince to do something else, hopefully sooner than later. I haven't shaken my bottles. I just got out here because it's been too hot to come out and I just couldn't stand it anymore. I had to come and play. Now I'm going to go for random patterns, even though I'm going to use a shovel, and the reason for the shovel is because it will usually make wonderful stripes. So I'm hoping that it works as well this time as other times. I would, generally speaking, love to put some gold in there, but I'm going to use gold for one of my swipe colors anyway. I'm going to put every color I can possibly think of in here, including some of my Prussian blue, which sells nicely. I might put some more white Anita's metallic. Ooh, I got to make some more of that. And I'm being called to yellow, which is highly unusual for me. Maybe a little will go a long way. Who knows? If I need more of that, I'll use it. In the meantime, let's go for the orange. It's a cheerful looking bunch of colors so far. I'm not hating it. This is my purple flash, which is a color shifting paint from Deco-Art. And it's very similar to the neon, but it's not, the neon is not metallic. This is a Venetian blue from Modern Masters, and I probably shouldn't waste it putting it in there because it usually sinks right away. Let's see if I'm right. This is my green gold. I already put some of that in there. Let's put some more in there. I want to inject some right down into the bottom. I've got some golden iridescent pearl fine laden magenta from Golden. I think I want a little bit of black in there, but right now purple is what's in my hand. That is, I'm not sure who that is, but I definitely use the Golden Pearl Iridescent Fine. And why not a little bit of this minty green? I want some more blue, I just do. And if I can't have it one way, I'll get it the other. So let's just go right there. Now I'm going to put that aside. And whoa, good catch. Not a good catch. I want some of my new green, emerald green from Deco-Art Americana. I'm not sure I'll be happy with that in the end, but all my colors are here, so if I decide I'd like to have some more of something, I can definitely do these. These are my swipe sheets, I think. Doesn't matter if there's any paint on there right now. I'm going to put this aside someplace I can't spill it right off right now. I'm going to try and do all of this pretty quickly. I'm going to use my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, available under the link tree. You'll find an Amazon link, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. And it doesn't seem like anybody's finding that link, so if you do feel like helping me out, it would be very appreciated. If you did some of your Amazon shopping, you can start at my link and do any Amazon shopping you want, and it will help with the production cost of making videos. I think I'm going to need some more black because this is a really big canvas, and I got to be pretty quick because a warm day usually dries paint a lot faster than a less warm day, obviously. There's your dumb moment for today. I'm just going to go ahead and give myself some more right now. I am going to use some black enamel. Black enamel acrylic is a great catalyst for making cells. I may tip. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but I am going to start by covering my canvas with a layer of black. Probably be good if I found myself an edge catcher, since it's still in the back of my head that I'm going to want to tilt the painting. And even if I don't hold the edge catcher up to the edge, it's nice to use them on the tile, because if I tip paint off, I can scrape it off the edge catcher and put it in something where I can use it again. Okay, I can see some canvas through there, and I got things in my way, but mostly I see that we're drying really fast. I want anything that doesn't look like it belongs out. Let's go. Let's hope I can do this quickly enough. But, you know, a lot of times, people who do things like balloon kisses and where they want the paint to stick, they let the paint get a little bit tacky to do their thing. I wonder where my balloons are. They might come in really handy if I don't do this correctly. Alright, I really wanted this to be a lot wetter than it is, so I'm going to give it one more little dollop of paint and look for any spots. So I really could do this with a spatula, and I'd love to, but I'm nervous about it because it's a huge canvas and I know the swipe cards will work. I gotta stop playing with this right now. I'm gonna throw that spatula in the bucket. I'm gonna take out my green, my 24 karat gold with some orange in it. There's my tri-tip bottle. I don't use nearly often enough. I want some other color in there, but I don't know that it's necessary that I have it right this second. Just for grins, I'm going to put some of this modern Art Minds that I don't think I can get anymore because they're out of business. Alright, so I'm going to scrape off the bottom of my... Oh, I don't like that blue in there. Wow. Okay. And I do like the orange, and I want more of it. Just took me a second to figure it out, that's all. So, I'm going to start at my edge. And I think I'm going to fall short. I should have scooped that up a different way. So I got my stripes, but it's going to get swiped through pretty much anyway. Let's go over on this side. I hope this works. I didn't put my black enamel in yet. I've got more paint than I need, and I'm going to put a lid on it. I think that'll work for right now. Where's my black enamel? It's right here. And I am going to tip my colors both ways. Let them run right down. I like thinking outside my box, doing things that are different than usual. Just so I teach myself new techniques by accident. So I'm going to grab, where did I put them? Okay, here we go. I am going to take some more of that enamel. You know what? I want to dip the enamel in something. So let me grab one of my little dishes that came from Michael's, the party section. And let me put some more gold right in here. I have no idea what I'm doing. So if you think I do, you're wrong. I want the smaller card that I cut, and I'm not finding it. But I have this, so this will work. Now where's my enamel? Put my enamel straight across, above the gold. And after all that, I still didn't dip my card. So what I'm thinking is, no matter how I start, I'm going to finish by going ahead and tipping. I thought about this quite a while, so I really hope it works. I want that to work. I need a longer arm. Now I've got all that enamel, and I can really do something. What do I want to do though? Knock the color off on the bottom. I can grab a basting brush is what I can do. Run that right up through the middle. And I've still got enough flexibility. I just want to drag it down through the colors, just to extend them right down the full length. And maybe spread some of them out a little bit. And now that I see it, I might actually go right back up through. All the way. Because I can. The name of my first book that you can find on the Amazon link, under the link tree that's under or right above Show More, somewhere in the vicinity. You guys can always ask me questions if you want. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I've got some nice colors. I never did grab an edge catcher. I wonder if there's one here somewhere. I also never used the black. I want some of this. Don't ask me why. I'm just doing it. So let me grab my small swipe card again. Try not to throw the edge catcher on the floor. I said I wanted some blue, and I kind of do. So I'm going to go down and up. And this purple flash has a blue color shift to it, so I'm sort of getting my wish right out of the gate. This is mostly what I would call stripes. I'm very want to just swipe out and see how that looks. I'm not sure I like it any better. I wanted to leave some of that gold in there, but I'm not super duper fond of the markings. Might be too plain without them, we'll see. So what else do I want to do? Because I really like that. I've got a little bit more in here. And I can wipe out those markings, and I get to keep the color. That's just, I'm thinking this is beautiful. So whatever it is what it is, and I love it. And I'm going to give myself some of that blue like I promised. And whatever else color comes, what other color comes to mind. I'm going to try and start away from myself. And press it right down. And smear it across too. I'm not sure I'm in love with that yet. Might have to do something else. But I don't dislike it either. So a little more purple flash. And what else? A little metallic turquoise. Not being too exact, because I want it to be sort of organic looking. I'm not getting too much of that purple. I don't know how much work time I've got left. I could have put some more white in there. Kind of want to take all of the colors that I have that are dripping down and cover up my edges. Because if they're left too long, they'll just dry as drips. So that's not bothering me. A couple things aren't sitting too well right now. Like those marks here. I can always use the side of my basting brush. And I'm liking using the basting brush, adding some texture in there, and I'm picking up a little bit of color from next door. I'm also dragging down a canvas in a couple places. So that's pretty nice in my opinion. I like it a lot, and I'll be covering my edges. This is interesting in here. Kind of obnoxious even. Just going to go up and down. I kind of want some more color in the center. Now is the time to look for anomalous things that sort of strike me as something I don't want wherever it is, and to fix them before it gets... Whoa. Good thing I got fingers on the end of my hands. So, I really like that. And I am going to call it done pretty quick. So I should tell you guys, I do sell my artwork, and my email address is below the Linktree link. And you can get in touch with me that way for questions or for potential classes. This is all going up there and down here. I like how the colors worked out. It's a variation on a theme that I want to play with. I'm just going to use any of the colors that are coming off my basting brush to cover my edge. And I even like that obnoxious green. So the colors aren't everywhere, but that's okay. And I'm seeing this over here, and I want to put some over here, but I don't think I want to do it to this particular one, so maybe another time. I've got 2 minutes left to tell you guys whatever I'm going to tell you. And keep right on sticking my basting brush in just ever so gently, so you don't wind up with a problem wherever you see a little canvas, because it's really too hot right now. If I make wounds that go all the way down to canvas, they may not fill in just because the paint is setting so quickly. I've got some enamel. Oh, I've got paint dripping over my edge. I torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint. And sometimes I release patterns, only it's probably too far gone and too gloppy for that right now. So this is kind of a simple concept, but it's okay with me because I really like it. I got all kinds of little cells that add texture. I have Teespring clothing below the video with all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts, and if you guys ever want to have a print of anything, please let me know, because I will add it to my Fine Art America and Pixels.com, where you can find masks and about 1,000 other items if you want to look. If you do go there, the link is under the link tree. If you do go there, you want to scroll down the page to see everything that's offered. A lot of people don't seem to realize that. So, this is pretty cool. I keep seeing new stuff, and I'm going to lose you guys in a minute. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I love you guys. There's 88,200 of you this morning. I'm not sure what it'll be. Check on the end screens for the exhibition video for the monthly drawing. Prizes, they're included there, and whatever they happen to be. I haven't made that video at this exact moment yet. It's coming in a few days. Drawing will be in the 3rd week of any month. Probably at the end of the 3rd week. I mentioned Amazon, and I told you that you can get the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas there, and if I didn't, I am now. And I got 1 minute left to tell you guys whatever I'm supposed to tell you, which is check your subscription, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for being here. Can I please have a thumbs up? I really appreciate that. That's a big help to me. Your comments are wonderful. I appreciate you guys endlessly. Thank you so much for being so kind. And I want to tell you again how much I appreciate all the contributions you've given me to keep me painting all this time. I like the randomness of the paint. It feeds my abstract expressionist soul. So thank you guys for being here. I hope you come again. The community board will have a recent video on it posted. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook will also, and that's a good place for students. There's Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more, and you can go shopping from the Shop Now button there, or you can find Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors and look in the albums. Once you join, you can see all the edited all that I have edited so far, which is not everything. If you ever have a question about any artwork, just use the hashtag in the title of the painting, and that will make it easy for me to find the artwork. I'm going to try and keep my fingers out of this. I love you guys. I will